This is Ashley, a new Sprunki character created by Trinity 1771. Ashley looks simple at first, but she has a very recognizable and expressive design. She has bright red hair with a small point on top, big dark eyes, and a calm, slightly mysterious smile. Her face looks friendly, but at the same time you can feel that she knows more than she shows. Ashley doesn't look aggressive or scary. She feels quiet, observant, and confident in her own way. Her body is tall and minimalistic, which makes her perfect for a clean, Sprunki-style figure. The soft shapes and smooth lines are great for sculpting, especially when focusing on proportions and symmetry. The contrast between her red hair and light skin tone makes the character stand out immediately. Ashley feels like a character who watches everything around her and stays calm no matter what happens. She doesn't need big emotions to be interesting. Her presence alone already tells a story. In this video, I'm sculpting Ashley step by step, trying to keep her original style while giving her a handmade clay look.